We basically can help to connect you with Dr. Carmouche, who has
HISD's North Houston Early College High School set the stage for a recent PTO-PTA event hosted by our FACE team, but it also became a real-world learning lab for a group of media-savvy students. They jumped in to interview parents, help promote their campus, and get some hands-on experience in what media relations is all about. Hey, so we're here at the North Houston Early College High School. Our Family and Community Engagement Department is hosting a PTO-PTA community partnership. Parents here are networking and finding out better ways to support their schools. But check it out, we have some media students here from the school, and they're actually the ones conducting the interviews here, talking to parents about why volunteering and giving back to their schools is so important.
Do you have any feedback, any comments about NHECHS in general, our school, Early College, North Houston College High School? Thank you.
Earlier we were talking about the media program here and kind of how you all just kind of did this. Talk to me about that again, how you all got involved in this. Whoever wants to go first.
Well, it was something very out of the blue. I mean, photography wasn't really something offered here except for yearbook, but it really all started with an alumni here called Angel Castillo, and he kind of mentored me and Estrella to kind of take this a little step further, have people trained with the cameras, have people trained to take videos, take pictures, make social media posts, designs, and we kind of we involve this with our recruitment as well. With HISD Choice, when we go to the fairs, we really want to put our school out there, and how can we do that? Through media. So we really tried to be involved with our school, show our school out, take pictures, anything we can to help our community and help our community stand out.
We talk to parents, we let them know why our school is the best school. We're an A-rated school, so I think that's something we can tell parents, like, hey, you're in good hands. And obviously communication, like I mentioned, it's something very important. You don't want to go to a magnet fair and not know what you're talking about. So I think that's one of the things that I learned and I became better at.
I think one of the biggest things that I've learned is to just to put myself out there. Of course, a lot of people think oh, I don't want to go ask them for a picture. I'm too nervous. They might think I'm weird. I'm too nosy. But I think it's definitely one of the things I've learned is just you want to show your school what your school is about, how much diversity your school has, what your school, the school spirit and everything about it. So you kind of just have to get them in there and just go for it. And it definitely taught me that.
On a personal note, I came today to watch you all do the media thing here and kind of see how you all interact with parents and whatnot, and I was gonna mentor and give some tips and whatnot. Y'all are doing amazing. The way you describe that people might think you're weird and you approach people having to talk to people, what you're doing now is seriously top notch. Great job. Kudos to all of you. Seriously, this is amazing. Good job. Thank you all so much. Appreciate it.